Today we are going to upgrade the headlight bulbs in this 5th gen RAM from halogen to LED. When you install these, you want to install them so that the LED chips are facing left and right. Alright, so let's pop the hood open. And the first step is to get this air box out of the way so we can reach the high beam and low beam on the passenger side. Remove the 2 electrical connectors on the air box. Now you're going to loosen up the hose clamp. Make sure to release the air vent that connects to the bottom of the air box. Once you have that done, you can wiggle the air box free from the truck. Now you can access the passenger side high beam. Remove the rubber dust cover and disconnect the bulb. Spin the bulb counterclockwise to release it. Now you can connect the F1 Series LED bulb to the factory connector. Make sure to connect it so that the positive and negative symbols on the plug are facing the opposite direction of the retaining clip. If the bulbs are plugged in backwards, they won't come on. Install the bulb by spinning it clockwise into the headlight assembly. Now we're going to move over to the passenger side low beam. We will follow the same steps that we did for the high beam. Once we are done, we can put the air box back in, reconnect the electrical connectors, and tighten the hose clamp. On the driver's side, we don't have to remove anything to access the high beam bulb. We will follow the same steps that we did on the passenger side. Now that we are on the driver's side low beam, we will go to the inner fender well and remove the little access door. Now we can reach into the inner fender well and access the driver's side low beam. Here's a little side-by-side comparison of the factory halogen bulbs and the F1 Series LED bulbs. When you install these, you want to install them so that the LED chips are facing left and right. Now we're done. The F1 Series bulbs are a perfect fit and have 0 CAN bus issues in these 5th gen RAMs. Thanks for watching.